Hi! In front of me is Vivo V21e, and today I would like to show you how you can manage adaptive brightness. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now click on this little icon with an A on it, next to brightness slider. If the icon is blue, that means that auto brightness is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same one again. You can also access devices settings. Scroll down just a bit and tap on display and brightness. Lastly, click on this switcher next to adaptive brightness to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!